Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share admissions 2025 in University of Mirpurkhas for BS and Masters program. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and press bell icon. 4 years BS program mornings are announced in these areas: BBA, Information Technology, Data Sciences, Commerce, Computer Science, English Applied Linguistics, English Language and Literature. 4 year BS programs evening: BBA, Information Technology, Commerce, Banking and Finance, English Applied Linguistics. Master degree programs evening and weekend: MBA, BA secondary 1.5 years and 2.5 years as well. Postgraduate diploma in early childhood education. BS degree programs for the 3rd year after AD or BA or BSc, Information Technology, Commerce, Computer Science, English Language and Literature. Dates: last day to apply is 11th November 2024. Entrance test will be conducted on November 24, 2024. I will upload the University of Mirpurkhas admission entry test subjects entry test. In previous videos, I had uploaded test pattern, sample papers, past papers of these universities. If you want to get information about any other university, just comment. For admission information, scholarship opportunities, and job preparation, subscribe to the Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and WhatsApp. Thank you.